room tour. This is our second accommodation here in Fiji. We stayed at the Sheraton Tokoriki on Tokoriki Island. Here is a huge bathroom, Jack and Jill sink, rain shower with this beautiful indoor-outdoor vibe going on. It's so luxurious. There's some slippers. There was heaps of room in the cupboards, but we didn't actually use them because we just used our luggage because we're only here for 2 nights. As usual, a safe, and there was a little fridge in under here, and just bits and pieces that you needed. Big TV that we didn't use, a lovely clear package, fresh flowers of course, nice little desk and chair. This is sort of the main room, little lounge, and a massive king-size bed. Aircon was just beautiful. This artwork was lovely. Then let's go outside because I want to show you the private plunge pool. And of course, our view and access directly to the beach. We just love this little day bed. I'm actually lying in here now making this voiceover. Sheraton Tokoriki Island, beautiful. Thank you so much for having us.